In a world where every single pair of wireless earbuds looks like an AirPod clone or a generic black dot, how do you stand out? You don't just tweak the edges, you don't just change the color, you completely rewrite the geometry of what an earbud is supposed to be. This is the Huawei FreeBuds 5. And yes, I know what you're thinking. It looks like liquid metal. It looks like a sci-fi prop. It looks like something that melted in the sun. But this polarizing design isn't just for shock value. Huawei claims this Prince Rupert's drop shape is the result of tens of thousands of ergonomic simulations designed to create the ultimate open fit experience. But we are a tech channel, not an art gallery. We don't care if it belongs in a museum, we care if it belongs in your ears. Can an open ear design actually deliver thumping bass? Is active noise cancellation even physically possible without a silicone seal? And most importantly, is this unique shape actually comfortable, or is it just a gimmick that slides right out of your ear? Today, we are doing a comprehensive, no-nonsense deep dive into the Huawei FreeBuds 5. We're testing the LDAC high-res audio, we're stress testing the battery, and we're going to find out if these alien-looking buds are worth your hard-earned cash. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the arrival experience. Huawei has always been good at premium packaging, and the FreeBuds 5 is no exception. Inside the box, you get the usual suspects, a USB-C charging cable, some literature, and, interestingly, a set of thin silicone skins. Keep these in mind. We'll come back to why these might be essential for some of you later. The star of the unboxing, however, is the case. This matte, egg-shaped, pebble-like vessel is arguably one of the most pocketable cases on the market today. It's smooth, it's distinct, and unlike the glossy plastic magnets for fingerprints we see from competitors, this matte finish feels premium and stays clean. But the design language shifts dramatically once you flip the lid. The earbuds sit vertically, fully exposed. This is where you first encounter that breathable, open-fit architecture. There are no silicone tips to jam into your ear canal. This is an old-school airflow design modernized. Huawei calls this the water drop design. It flows from the speaker unit, curves around the concha, and tapers into the stem. It's distinct, sure, but does it work? Comfort is subjective, but physics is not. The FreeBuds 5 relies on a double C curve design. The idea is that the shape distributes pressure across a wider surface area of your ear, rather than focusing it all on the ear canal like a traditional in-ear monitor. For 90% of users, this is going to be a revelation. If you are someone who hates that stuffed feeling of silicone tips, if in-ear vacuums give you a headache, these are going to feel like nothing. They weigh just 5.4 grams each. Because the weight is distributed down the stem, they don't feel top-heavy. You can wear these for 4-5 hours straight and genuinely forget they're there. However, open fit is a double-edged sword. If you have particularly large ear canals or perhaps very small ones, the lack of a silicone plunger means you can't adjust the seal. You are at the mercy of the plastic shape. This is why Huawei includes those thin silicone skins I mentioned earlier. They aren't for noise isolation, they are for friction. They add just enough grip to keep the buds from sliding around during a workout. And speaking of workouts, these are IP54 dust and splash resistant. That means sweat is fine, a run in light rain is fine, just don't drop them in the pool. But would I recommend these for heavy gym rats? Probably not. The lack of a locking mechanism means that on a bench press or a burpee, gravity might win. These are lifestyle buds, designed for the commute, the office, and the walk, not the CrossFit games. Now, let's talk sound. Historically, open-ear earbuds suffer from one major flaw: bass leak. Without a seal, low frequencies escape before they hit your eardrum, leaving music sounding tinny and hollow. Huawei has declared war on this physics problem. They've equipped them with a massive 11mm dual magnetic dynamic driver and a proprietary bass turbo technology, which is essentially a custom tube that increases airflow to the diaphragm. The result is genuinely shocking. The bass on the FreeBuds 5 isn't just good for open ears, It's authoritative. It digs down to 16 hertz. When you listen to tracks with sub-bass, like Limit to Your Love by James Blake or modern hip-hop, you actually feel the rumble. It's warm, it's punchy, and it has a texture that you usually only get from sealed EMMs. But it's not just about the thump. These buds are high-res audio wireless certified and support the LDAC codec. If you're on an Android device or a Huawei phone, you're getting transmission rates up to 990 kilobits. Because they're open-backed, the soundstage is phenomenally wide. It feels airy. Vocals sit right in the center of your head, but instruments feel like they're placed around you, not just injected into your brain. The mids are lush and forward, perfect for podcasts and acoustic tracks. The highs are crisp, rolling off up to 40 kilohertz, though they can get a bit sharp at max volume if you don't use the EQ. And if the sound profile isn't to your taste out of the box, the Huawei IE Life app gives you a fully customizable 10-band EQ. This is a feature many Pro earbuds still lack, and it's great to see it here. Here is where things get complicated. Active noise cancellation on an open-ear headphone. It sounds like an oxymoron. How do you cancel noise when air is freely flowing into your ear? Huawei uses what they call OpenFit ANC 3.0. It uses 3 microphones to listen to the environment and the internal structure of your ear canal to adapt the cancellation in real time. Let's manage your expectations right now. This is not silence. If you're looking for that vacuum of space silence you get from the Bose Quiet Comfort or Sony WF-1000 XM5, you will not find it here. You physically cannot achieve that without a seal. However, that doesn't mean it's useless. The FreeBuds 5 excel at removing the low-end drone, the hum of an airplane engine, the rumble of a train, the whir of an AC unit. These sounds are significantly reduced. It takes the edge off the world, but you will still hear the person typing next to you. You will still hear the barista calling your name. For many people, this is actually a feature, not a bug. It allows you to listen to music comfortably while staying aware of your surroundings without the artificial sound of a transparency mode. It's natural transparency. But if your main goal is blocking out a crying baby on a flight, buy earplugs or buy sealed earbuds. Living with the FreeBuds 5 is seamless, especially if you're in the Huawei ecosystem, but also if you're not. They support multi-point connectivity right out of the box. You can be connected to your laptop for a Zoom call and your phone for notifications at the same time. The switch is instant and reliable. The controls are located on the stem. The sensors are responsive. You have double taps for play/pause and, crucially, swipe controls for volume. I cannot stress how important volume swipe is. Once you get used to adjusting volume on your ear, going back to digging for your phone feels archaic. For the gamers out there is a low latency mode in the IE Life app. It brings latency down significantly. I tested this with Call of Duty Mobile, and while competitive pro gamers might notice a millisecond delay, for casual gaming and video watching, the lip sync is perfect. If there is an Achilles heel to the FreeBuds 5, it might be the battery life. On a single charge with ANC off, you're looking at about 5 hours. If you turn ANC on and crank the volume using LDAC, that drops around 3.5 hours. By 2026 standards, that's on the lower end. Competitors are pushing 7 or 8 hours. However, Huawei compensates for this with the case. The case holds a total of 30 hours of playback, but the real savior is the charging speed. These buds support supercharge. Dropping them in the case for just 5 minutes gives you 2 hours of listening time. That is incredibly fast. So unless you're on a 6-hour flight and refuse to take a break, the battery anxiety is virtually non-existent. And yes, the case does support key wireless charging, which is a must-have at this price point. This is what the microphone sounds like in a quiet studio environment. The deep neural network algorithm is working to isolate my voice. And this is how it handles background noise. As you can hear, it does a very aggressive job of cutting out the background clutter. The voice might sound a little processed, a little robotic, but it remains intelligible. For business calls, these are top tier. So are the Huawei FreeBuds 5 a gimmick? Absolutely not. They are a bold, necessary evolution in a stagnant market. If you are the type of person who cannot stand silicone tips invading your ear canal, these are arguably the best-sounding open-fit earbuds you can buy right now. They blow the standard AirPods out of the water when it comes to bass response and audio fidelity thanks to LDAC. The design is distinctive, the build is premium, and the comfort is unmatched for long sessions. Yes, the ANC is lighter than sealed rivals, and the battery life isn't marathon level, but the pros here heavily outweigh the cons for the right user. Huawei took a risk with this design, and in my opinion, it paid off. If you want high-fidelity sound without the pressure, the FreeBuds 5 are the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Do you love this design, or does it look too much like a sci-fi prop for you? I'll see you in the next one.